Report ejekirizeyo kworeka hampereza ya gavumenti ko abantu bari kutunga obuheereza neereka ko abanya-Uganda bingi bakiha obwesigwa omu mpereza y'ebitongore bya gavumenti bitari bimwe na bimwe. Report ejeshohozibwa aba Directorate of Ethics and Integrity kuruga omu maka g'obwa President omu rukiiko rutebeekanisibwe ahari kariya courts omu Fort Portal omu nkora eyesirwe Zero Tolerance to Corruption.
The salaries of the workers.
Role models who are going to champion the fight of corruption. When I was entering here, he said, are we going to fight the corruption to zero? There was the whole team was where we don't have solutions.
There are a lot of case backlog and people's money are eaten, and you find that everything. So government is losing a lot of money. Then target.
Nicholas Abola, Orukoranka Commissioner in charge of Communication and Information on the Directorate of Ethics and Integrity, najarango kuchondoza oku bakushanjire mu byenji.
So even if a government official is not giving a bribe, we find our citizens offering us bribe. And the temptation is so great that sometimes some of us will not refuse to take it. So we need now to intensify mindset change.
Report hona neyoreka ngo ibikorwa byo kuhebituga hamwe n'abanyabuzare baba bari mu gavumenti ko bana batunga emirimo nibyo bikirizeyo kuteganisa mu kuheereza abantu.
We are saying, and from this meeting we are concluding, instead of saying decentralizing, we can say, can we have sessions and corruption court sessions to be brought up country? They could be at the regional level.
Gashakwa Jonan Singwire.